everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. We will be learning how to download Fruit Ninja 2 application on your Android device. Downloading Fruit Ninja 2 on Android is a straightforward process, so let's jump into the video right away. Start off by launching open your Play Store. Also make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box at the top and type in Fruit Ninja 2 and search. Look for this application that says Fruit Ninja 2 Fun Action Games from Half Brick Studios and tap on the install button to start downloading the application. Wait for the download process to complete and you can start playing Fruit Ninja 2 on your Android device. That is how you can easily download and install Fruit Ninja 2 on Android in just a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.